All right, Mabuhay Universe. So I have here with me, it's your girl from the city of Bacoor, Natsumi Sekiguchi.
Hello po.
Hello.
Hello, Universe.
So Natsumi, kamusta so far ang iyong journey sa Miss Universe Philippines?
Masaya naman and ina-enjoy ko lang yung process kasi alam ko naman ang competition, it starts during preliminary. So I'm enjoying my time right now with the girls and of course, ayun.
Yung ano naman, yung preparation so far, how was it?
Preparations. I'm trying my best na isingit yung mga trainings since halos everyday din yung mga events namin. So, I'm making the most of it. Lalo na pag kahit rest day, nagtitrain pa din ako.
Okay, so out of all dun sa mga past activities ninyo, alin dun yung pinaka-favorite mo at bakit?
Pinaka-favorite, probably nung time na in-introduce kami sa board of members. Kasi parang yung day na yon we can be, parang sinabi sa amin na we should be ourselves lang, light makeup, and casual wear lang. So, ayun.
So, later ang inyong runway show for Hello Glow. So, excited ka na ba?
Excited na kasi sinabi ko sa sarili ko na the next public appearance ko ay gusto ko mas myself and mas bongga. So, babawi ako today.
Ayan. So, abangan nyo guys ang ni Natsumi mamaya sa ating runway show. A few days na lang, nasa Boracay na kayo. So, excited ka na ba?
Excited na ako kasi I've never been to Boracay. And
Oh.
favorite ko yung sa competition aspect, favorite ko yung mga swimsuit, yung mga body, and ayun. So, very excited ako. Actually, yung inaabangan ko in my Miss Universe Philippines journey is the Aqua Boracay. So, ayun.
Oh, talaga. So, I mean, ilang araw na lang yun.
2
Lapit
weeks,
na. So,
parang 2 weeks na lang.
yes, stay tuned tayo dyan, So, nung nakarang araw, na-release ang inyong swimwear, tsaka ang inyong evening gown.
Yes.
So, walk us through dun sa process nung shoot ninyo.
Medyo emergency lahat ng mga sinuot ko that day kasi nagkaroon ng mga misunderstanding. Pero I'm so glad na natawid namin yung shoot na yun. And favorite ko na picture na lumabas is of course yung swimsuit ko, the one that I was wearing dark pink na one piece. And ang atake lang kasi namin din is more of like high fashion, nakatayo lang, aura lang. And ayun, more on body talaga siya. Kasi parang ayaw namin gumawa ng mga poses na usually na ginagawa ng other girls and other queens. So, ayun yung atake namin that day.
Alright. But you did very well on
Thank
both
you.
segments
Thank you po.
naman. So, but thank you very much, Natsumi, and we'll see more of you in the coming weeks.
Yes, bye!
Once again, guys, we have with us Natsumi Sekiguchi from the city of Bacoor.
Bye! See you next time!